Hey there, let's see the steps to move to the new version of the Invoice Hero app. Please log into the app section of your Shopify admin. Look for Invoice Hero app. Simply click on delete button. Also note, app will recreate all your old invoices with new design when you install the newer version now. Also, app will not be sending the old invoices again to your customers. Now go to Shopify's App Store. Enter Invoice Hero in the search box. Select Invoice Hero app. Add app. Click on Install app. Choose your dashboard language. I am choosing English. In the first step, enter the legal name of business and text number. In the second step, you can choose your invoice language, invoice color, and also upload your logo. In third step, you can choose how you want to send invoices automatically or manually. I am choosing automatic sending. Also, enter the email ID here from which the invoices will be sent to your customers. Fourth step is just an information about text and multi-currency settings. If you are looking to create invoices with your customer's text number on it, then please contact us and we will do the setup for you. Final step is about choosing the plan. We see you are having less than 150 orders per month, so you can choose free version or gold plan to start with. Start free trial. Next, don't forget to give us a 5-star rating and an amazing feedback. You can see the completely revamped app dashboard. In the Invoices tab, you can see all your old invoices. You can view or send your customers from here again. In the Settings tab, you can make appropriate changes as per your requirements. In the Support tab, you can schedule a call back with us or send us an email. Your current version will stop working from end of May. So hurry up and update the app as soon as possible. Our updated version has a lot of features and also help you to create professional and beautiful invoices. Drop an email at support@mlveda.com if you need any support. Thank you.